Hello everyone, welcome to the Vidhya Kendra Coaching Management System tutorial. In this video, I will guide you step by step through the coaching admin panel and show you how everything works in a simple and organized way. We'll cover features like teacher management, student management, attendance tracking, class and batch management, exam management, fees management, notices or announcements, and many more useful features. So, let's get started. This is the main admin dashboard. From here, you can easily manage your entire coaching institute from one place. On the dashboard, you can quickly see important information like total students, total teachers, active classes, and pending approvals. Below that, you will find admin announcement section where important updates on our messages from the company will appear. Next, we have quick actions. Using these shortcuts, you can instantly add teachers, add students, or share notices. You can also check the recent activity section to track the latest activities, such as new student registrations, fee payments, and other important updates. On the side, you can also see the student by class section, where you can view how many students are enrolled in each class. Now let's move to the teacher management section. Here, you'll find 5 main options: onboarding, active teachers, inactive teachers, attendance, and leave management. In the onboarding section, you can add new teachers to your coaching institute. This process is divided into multiple steps where you can fill details like personal information, contact information, address details, documents, qualifications, experience, and bank details. One important thing to remember, the email address entered here will automatically receive the teacher panel login ID, temporary password, and login link. After adding the teacher, you can open the view section to see complete teacher information. From there, you can also assign classes, set salary. Once you approve and activate the teacher, login credentials will automatically be sent by email, and the teacher will be able to access the teacher panel. Now let's open the active teacher section. Here you can view total active teachers, present teachers, and teacher status. Using the available action buttons, you can deactivate teachers or view complete details. Inside the view section, you can check teacher overview, assigned subjects, batch and charge details, attendance, performance, salary records, and leave information. In the inactive teacher section, you can manage teachers who are currently inactive or have left the institute. You can also reactivate teachers anytime if needed. In the attendance section, you can mark daily attendance, view monthly and yearly attendance reports, and download attendance reports whenever required. And if your coaching institute uses a biometric machine, our system can also integrate with it. In leave management, you can easily track teacher leaves. Teachers can apply for leave directly from their teacher panel, and admins can approve or reject leave requests from here. You can also manually create leave entries whenever required. Before adding students, you first need to create classes. To do that, open the classes section and click on Create New Class. Here, you can enter details like class name, class level, academic year, and class capacity. You can also create multiple batches, such as morning batch, evening batch, or weekend batch. All created classes will appear in the All Classes section. You can also schedule class timings and subjects. For example, mathematics from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., chemistry from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., and physics from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. After creating classes, the next step is creating subjects. Go to the exam section and open subjects by class. From here, you can create subjects and assign subjects to different classes. Now let's move to exam management. From the exam type section, you can create new exams. After creating an exam, you can schedule important details such as exam date, timing, subject, and total marks. Now let's move to the student management section. Here you'll find onboarding, all students, inactive students, class-wise students, and attendance. To add a student, simply click on the Add Student button. Now fill in the student details. It is not necessary to fill every detail immediately. You can enter basic information first and update remaining details later. And if needed, our company can also help you upload student data. Once the information is filled, click on the View button and assign the student to a class. One important thing to remember: the email address entered during onboarding will receive student login ID, temporary password, and login link. As soon as you approve the student, login credentials will automatically be sent by email. After approval, the student will move from the onboarding section to the All Students section. In the All Students section, you can view total students, present students, and student status. Using the View button, you can access complete student details including overview, attendance, homework, fees, fee structure, and academic performance. You can manage different fee types such as admission fees, tuition fees, and study material fees. You can also track total fees, paid amount, and due amount. Receipts can also be downloaded or printed directly from here. In the academic section, you can track student performance, class rank, grades, and detailed reports. Reports can also be shared with parents whenever required. In the inactive student section, you can store records of pass out or suspended students for future reference. In the class-wise student section, you can easily view students in each class, batch-wise students, and total batches. From the attendance section, coaching or management staff can upload attendance in bulk. Daily attendance can also be marked directly by teachers from their teacher panel. Now let's move to fees management. To create a fee structure, click on New Structure. Here, first select Academic Year and Class, then add fee components such as coaching fees, academic fees, study material fees, or any other custom fee. Next, choose the payment frequency, one-time, monthly, or yearly. After that, set installment dates and term durations. You can also apply late fees if required. Once you click Next, all installments and terms will automatically be generated. Finally, click on Create Fee to save the fee structure. After creating fees, you can view fee structures, generate fees for batches, and track student payments. Inside student fees, you can check paid fees, pending fees, and due amounts. You can also download or print receipts directly from here. In the Notice and Announcements section, you can send important notices such as fee notices, holiday notices, exam notifications, and other announcements. You can also send notices to specific students or teachers individually. These notifications will appear directly inside the student and teacher panels. These were some of the main features available in the Coaching Admin panel. There are many more powerful and interesting features available in the teacher panel and student parent panel as well. You can find their complete demo videos in the description and comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.